You're ugly. Nah, I'm just playing. Honestly, you're not ugly. Your habits are. Let's be real. The world never handed us the full playbook on how to look sharp, stay fresh, and command a room. We had to figure it out ourselves. And a lot of brothers are still out here making the same mistakes that's killing their look before they even open their mouth. I'm talking about the stuff nobody wants to say out loud. The crusty lips, the low beard line that's making your face look round, the body soap that you use on your nuts and your face like it's all the same skin. That ends today. Because the truth is, you don't need a complete overhaul, and you don't need to spend a bag on celebrity skincare routines. You just need to stop doing the 5 things that are quietly making you look worse than you should. If you fix these habits, you'll see a difference within a week. Your skin will stop fighting you, your frame will look sharper, and people will remember you when you leave a room. So if you're serious about leveling up your style and your confidence, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for your weekly dose of betterness. Now, let's get into it. The silent looks killer. First up, using body soap on your face. Look, I get it. You're in the shower, you've got 1 bar of soap, and you're thinking to yourself, skin is skin, right? Wrong. Your face isn't built like the rest of your body. The skin on your face is thinner, more sensitive, and way more reactive. When you scrub it with the same soap you use on your armpits and your feet, you're stripping away the natural oils your face needs to stay balanced. That's why your face feels tight after a shower. That's why your dark spots look louder by noon. And that's why you're walking around looking ashy even though you just washed up. Body soap is way too harsh. It dries you out, and when your skin gets dry, it overcompensates by producing more oils. So now you're shiny, ashy, and dry all at the same time. Oh! Congratulations, you played yourself. Look, the fix is simple. Just switch to a gentle face wash. I'm talking about Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It's designed specifically for your face, not your whole body. It's gentle and non-irritating, it cleanses without stripping so your moisture can actually do its job. And most importantly, it actually helps to clear your skin. You want to pair that with Round Lab's Birch Juice Moisturizing Cream. This isn't your average drugstore lotion. It's packed with birch sap that locks in hydration without feeling heavy or greasy. It contains hyaluronic acid to plump your skin and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, it's lightweight enough that it actually absorbs fast and won't clog your pores. That means your face will stop fighting you and you'll finally look like you've got your life together. If you're serious about fixing your skin and not looking crusty, I've left a link to both of these high quality products in my description. So please do your face a favor, scroll down and grab them. The next habit is head down phone posture. You're scrolling right now, aren't you?
Oh my God.
Your head's tilted down, your shoulders are rounded forward, and your chin's tucked into your neck. That right there is the look that's stealing your jawline. Every single time you drop your head to look at your phone, you're training your body to hold that posture. And over time, that rounded shoulder, soft jawline look becomes your default. You start looking tired in photos, your face looks heavier, and people see you and think, he looks worn out. But here's the thing, posture shapes your face more than you think. When you stand tall, pull your shoulders back, and keep your head leveled, your jawline sharpens, your neck looks longer, and your whole silhouette changes. So if you're tired of looking like this, here's the fix. Every single time you pick up your phone, use it as a posture cue. Bring the phone to eye level instead of dropping your head down. Then do a quick wall check every day. Stand with your back and the back of your head against the wall, heels touching, shoulders back, and feel what good posture actually feels like. By simply catching yourself and untraining your body to look down at your phone, you'll literally gain a bit of height. And you'll look more attractive. Now that we've cleaned up the inputs, your wash, your posture, let's go ahead and lock in the finishing touches that takes you from clean to unforgettable. The third habit is cracked, dry lips. One chapped lip photo can ruin a clean fit faster than anything else. You could be dressed sharp, line up fresh, beard on point, posture perfect. But if your lips look like sandpaper, that's all anyone's gonna see. Within a tenth of a second, the first thing that people notice is your face. And if there's dry, crusty, busted, dusty, musty, rusty, lumpy, ashy, flaky, peeling, sad, frowny, saliva licking, straight up down bad lips on them, you can throw everything else out the window. Dry lips aren't just about not drinking enough water. It's about not sealing in the moisture you already have. The skin on your lips is one of the only places on your face that struggles to moisturize themselves. Because of this, this is the reason why your lips are always dry. So pay close attention, cause here's the fix. Always keep water nearby. Apply lip balm after every shower and before bed. I'm talking about Aquaphor Lip Repair for nighttime sealing. Not only will this hydrate your lips, it'll also seal in the moisture that's already there. It also helps to repair any pre-existing damage. So if your lips are cracked and dry, this is exactly what you need. It's affordable and it should be in the pocket of every single last one of you. But if you want lips that actually stay soft and look aesthetic all day, you need Necessaire the lip balm. Now this one's next level. It's a premium product loaded with vegan wax, shea butter, and niacinamide to repair dry, cracked lips and keep them smooth without that sticky, waxy buildup. You know that thin white film that seems to just magically appear on your lips all the time? Yeah, this gets rid of that. This is the kind of balm that makes lips look healthy and feel kissable, not crusty. This is a hidden gem in my arsenal, so I thought I'd put you guys on. If you're tired of walking around with dusty, cracked lips that make you look straight up neglected, then do yourself a favor, scroll down and grab both of these. Use one of them during the day and the other at night. Trust me, your lips will thank you forever. I've left the links in my description below. Habit number 4 is your beard line is cut too low. Straight up, a low neckline makes your face look short and round. It straight kills your jawline and makes you look softer than you are. The fix is quite simple. Raise the neckline. Use the 2-finger rule. Place 2 fingers above your Adam's apple. That's where your beard line should start. Anything between that, shave it clean. For this, I'm always gonna recommend Sabre Style Precision Trimmer. I know, I talk about this one a lot, but it's for good reason. Barbers use this trimmer because it's precise, reliable, and does exactly what it's advertised to do. You get clean, crispy, precise lines without guessing, and it won't nick you up like cheap clippers will. If you want that clean, precise barber look at home, you're gonna need this. You can't go to the barber every time you need a facial hair trim. You have to learn how to do it yourself. And you're gonna need precise tools to make those crispy lines and sharp edges. These clippers are a must-have in my facial hair routine. I literally keep them in my everyday bag. If you don't have high-quality trimmers as a black man, then you're doing something wrong. After trimming, make sure to follow up with cold water. This is gonna help to avoid bumps and irritation. If you really want to go from homeless to homeboy, you're gonna need this. I've linked it below in my description so you don't have to go looking for it. Oh, and don't fake cheek lines. Let them grow naturally. A natural cheek line with a clean neckline gives you structure without looking carved. Habit number 5 is smelling like nothing. Bro, you look good, your lineup's fresh, your fit's clean, but you leave no memory. No one's thinking about you as you walk out. Something as simple as a light, close-range scent anchors your presence. It's not about choking out the room. It's about making people lean in just a little closer. So here's the fix. Start with a neutral base. Tap some shea or cocoa butter on your neck and wrist. Rub that in, then hit it with 1 or 2 sprays of cologne on damp skin. You want to do this right after the shower. That's when it lasts longer. For a light but close-range fragrance, go with Nautica Voyage if you're just starting out. It's fresh, clean, and affordable. If you want something a bit more advanced, Mont Blanc Explorer is your move. Layer these with an oil or butter and congratulations, you've now got a signature scent that people won't forget. You might not smell bad, but you don't smell good. So if you're actually serious about leaving a lasting impression, I've linked both of these down in my description below. Scroll down, grab these, and lock in your scent game. Alright, there you have it. 5 habits that are quietly killing your looks, and the exact fixes to turn it all around. Ditch the body soap, fix your posture, seal your lips, raise that beard line, and layer your scent. Stop using low quality products that don't work on your skin and upgrade to the high quality ones that I just broke down. Do this religiously for the next few weeks and I can all but guarantee you won't walk around looking ugly anymore. You'll look sharp, you'll feel confident, and people will remember you when you leave a room. Did I leave anything out? Drop a comment and let me know. What other bad habits are making brothers look ugly? Share this video, send it to the group chat or something. Help your crew level up tonight. You might just be saving them. If you enjoyed the video or found the video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you super enjoyed the video, leave a super thanks. It's like leaving a little tip and it directly helps out the channel. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you can continue to see our videos and get your weekly dose of betterness. And remember, with every one of our videos you watch, you take one step closer to becoming an even better version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smooth like butter.